Good morning, I'm Cesar with Insured Removal. Today we're gonna be taking down 13 trees. They're Leland Cypress. Homeowner requests us to take them down. So please follow us and check the process. Thank you. Again, we took down 13 cypress. We started on the left side and then cut them slowly as we could as possible, safe enough for everybody. Customer requested some wood chip. We left them. We took care of all his grass, make sure no grass got damaged. We're pretty much done with the project. We're ready to go now. Cold weather. We are, y'all can check us out on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Give us a call, free quotes, free estimates, 470-315-3920, 470-315-3920. My name is Cesar, and I am with Ryan's Tree Removal. Thank you for checking us out.